Okay, I'm at 684 Princess Highway in Kogarah, and I believe we've got, I think, a Brilliance lift. So it looks a bit new, and it's got a Schindler button, but it must be a Brilliance lift anyways. Brilliance lift. It took me minutes to find this bloody place. Here we are. No, it's a Schindler lift. Interesting, the panel to this is quite different to what I saw. Here's the cab view. Anyway. No capacity to this lift, so I can't find out the capacity.
Level 2.
And it's got a different voice.
Ground level.
You can't really hear the beep to the button. Nice cab.
Level 2.
It's a reception. I'll just.
Level 1. Level 1. Ground level.
It's not a bad lift. I'm just confused about this panel, but anyway, here it goes, and that's it.